Onji Itori, welcome to the Basque country and our industrial site at Hendaye. We have been on this site called Sokoberri since 1988. This building of 17,500 square meters is the result of 5 successive extensions made over the last 20 years. We make more than 430,000 chairs per year, around 2,000 chairs per day. As in other industrial activities, Sokoa has chosen to organize itself industrially according to a non-integrated model. There are about 200 people on this site, including several production support departments, the design office, methods department, purchasing department, quality department, and maintenance teams are based on this site. The industrial activities are broken down into 3 main areas. Logistics, that covers scheduling, receipt of the primary components, supplies, and of course, shipments. Upholstery, the area in which we cut out the fabrics, sew the covers, and also cover and trim our sub-assemblies and finished products. And finally, the assembly area, in which the components and partly finished pieces are assembled. When developing new products, the roles of sales and marketing is first of all to listen to the market, the users and customers, to note new consumption patterns and anticipate new trends. Sokoa has had its own internal designer for many years, and we also work regularly in close collaboration with external designers of recognized talent, such as Iratsuki Lazasso Studio. Sokoa has always placed design at the heart of its strategy, and it is a strong element of its differentiation. When the designer has finished their work and handed over their designs, the design office takes over. We start with the design phase, which, using 3D design software, involving designing all the parts that make up the chair. At the end of this phase, we will validate it with a Scale 1 model. We then enter the development phase, during which we will have all the components that make up the chair manufactured. We will also carry out the upholstery prototyping. Finally, we reach the industrialization phase, during which the methods office will make all the tools that are needed in the workshop to produce the chair. The information system is used to identify the products to be checked, as well as traceability of the controls in the supply chain. We are now entering the stock of the primary components. It is a warehouse covering 4,000 square meters, 10 meters high. This represents more than 2,000 active component SKUs and 25 days of stock coverage. Our ERP allows us to automatically assign the storage address to the components that enter it. Scheduling is the interface between sales and production. We are in permanent contact with sales administration to meet our customer commitments. We can process up to 1,000 orders per week. Overlock seam. First of all, a cutting-out sewing workshop makes the covers of the upholstered parts. We have 3 automatic cutting tables, including 1 exclusively for leather. We use more than 300,000 meters of fabric per year, more than 200 current SKUs. Once the cutting operation is completed, the pieces are assigned per model and then sewn by seamstresses. And for top-of-the-range models, the pieces are assembled using triple-drive stitching machines, which for some models takes more than an hour of work. Thanks to the use of a hot melt glue solvent-free process patented by Sokoa in 2005, our versatile and ergonomic workstations are used to complete production in a few minutes on the same bonding, pressing, stapling station. An ultrasonic welding robot, the result of several years of research, has helped meet a growing demand from our customers for chairs in a mesh-back version. At the same time, it has allowed us to replace a repetitive and noisy manual stapling operation. The scheduling plans are prepared in roll containers, using tablets for component collection and simultaneous stock management. The executive area concentrates production of the most technical chairs. The complex manufacturing process requires the skills of two of our trades, covering, filling, and finishing assembly. The most experienced operators occupy these workstations adapted to their needs. The Ergoland production line, a name made from a contraction of the words ergo and land, ergonomics and land, which means work in Basque, is the result of two major projects carried out with the employees. The constraints related to packaging the products have been removed. In the first year, more than 80,000 chairs were produced by this area, thanks to a €350,000 investment. The mixed production line of swivel or visitor chairs allows us to adapt our capacity to the structure of our workload. The production operators refer to technical data and perform a 100% self-check at each production stage. The stamped traceability label certifies Sokoa quality of the finished product. At the various production stages, the operators carry out self-checks. In addition, the quality department carries out a general inspection of the finished product, involving 2 to 3% of daily production. This is what we call the customer view. The 430 tons of waste per year created on our industrial site is collected and sorted by our operators. 100% of this waste is treated, 90% of which is reused as materials, and 10% for energy recovery. We have 8 shipping bays that are used for collection during the day. 1,400 packages are thus shipped every day. Over a year, this totals nearly 30,000 deliveries worldwide. In 2014, in order to respond to and support the growth of our soft seating activity, we acquired a 1,000 square meter building adjacent to our site. This building, called Sokottiki, is dedicated to the manufacture of large products. Due to the specificity of the soft seating range, handling of modules during the various manufacturing operations must be reduced and facilitated. For this reason, Sokoa has created a supply line for components carried on trays to the workstation. Once the chair is finished, it is sent to the packing station again on a conveyor. A final check before shipment is then made. Our products have a stylish and contemporary design that reflects our identity and values by inspiring simplicity and conviviality with a wide choice and excellent value for money.